point only. Does a runner need to do every event according to you, or go slow and make choices? Because chances of injury are more, that's what you said. A little bit on that. You've done it, but now what would you want to advise for
So
it?
even now I do a lot of events.
Right.
What I do is that I like to meet people.
Correct.
And running is a social thing. Actually, it's also a social thing because you get to meet a lot of people, you make friends. It's a kind of a therapy in that way also.
Right.
So I run events and they become like training events for me, because when you're doing a long run, you're doing it solo all the time, it's not possible.
Correct.
You need support also at times. If I'm doing a 32-kilometer run, I can do 21 as a part of the event and 11 later. But then now I have developed that control that 21 I'm not racing.
Right.
I'm doing it at my training pace.
Correct.
So participate in every event if you want, if you have the money for it, for the registration fees.
Yes.
And you enjoy the experience. But choose which ones are you going to race and
Right.
which ones are you going to do as training.
Correct.
And how much distance are you going to do. So if you do that, then go for every event.
No, but it has to be planned, no, because then injuries also get
Yeah, so
more,
plan
right?
so plan how much you're running and
Right.
how you're running it.
Correct.
And you should have the money for it as well, because
Right.
events are expensive. You don't want to throw away all your money on
Correct.
any and every event. It
Right.
might not even turn out to be a good experience. So definitely choose your events.
Now, what would you want to say on for the younger generation, or I think any age group who is, yet sitting at home, not doing anything? What would you yet like? What do you want to say to them? Because we have a lot of people who are at home, not exercising, and what would you want to tell them?
See, this younger generation, I think, is much more aware than my generation. So they know that they're not doing the right thing. They definitely
Correct.
know it if they're not doing it. I suggest that they give themselves 1 hour every day for a month and see the difference for themselves.
Right.
When they see the difference for themselves, they will definitely put in the effort to continue with whatever they're doing. And it's very necessary, because they might not be doing it for the fun that they think they might miss out on, or because they think they are very important in their jobs. But I think you can stay important in your job only if you look after your health. You can give your best. So the only thing that is yours really is your own body and yourself, and you have to feel good about yourself. Job is yours, but that's temporary.
Correct.
Family is yours, that's more permanent, but
Right.
not as permanent as your own body, which is going to be with you right from the beginning to the end. So when we are doing so many things for all these other factors, why not do something for ourselves at least? And as per certain studies, I can't quote things, but as per certain studies, they say 30 minutes a day is enough.
Yes.
If you do give to yourself. I would say give an hour if you can, and do it 5 days a week.
Correct.
Don't be a weekend person or a Monday, Wednesday person. Do spread it out during the week and see the difference for yourself.
Very true. Because as you said, body is important. I like writing, so I just said is people change, time change, things change, but commitment to yourself will never change.
Absolutely.
And I think that commitment of fitness and you will, then you can be on the best position in your job, in your business.
And family.
And family too.
Yeah.
And because, so when people already know that you're committed, they're going to support you more.
Absolutely.
And that's what you're finding it, right?
Family always supports. It's never okay. Maybe there are some people who might say, don't wear shorts, you run in capris. It's
That's okay.
That's okay.
Right.
Good. There are women running in saris.
Right.
Because they want to do it.
Correct.
And I'm not talking about the public social event. I'm talking about actually in villages there are people who would run in saris.
Correct.
I have a friend whose mom runs in saris. She wears a t-shirt on top of it. So that's important. That's all.
So nothing can stop you.
Yeah,
if you
yeah.
want to do it, then I
You
think
make time.
no dress matters.
No
or
dress,
nothing.
even family, even children understand. If you tell
Right.
them that I'm going to go out for a run, you do this, and they learn the importance of fitness, and they themselves become fitter people.
Correct. And plus, if you continue fitness, then your health also improves at the same time.
Yes.
and
And you can do more faster.
more and faster.
Yeah.
It was an amazing conversation. I wish you all the best for your upcoming whatever dreams you want to run. Thank you so much.
Thank
Yeah,
you, Pooja.
thank you.
And
Lovely
I hope
having
to see you on the roads.
Yes, very soon, very soon.